In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram repost button if it is missing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work on both iPhone and Android, and if you're scrolling and you just don't see that repost button like this one right here on, post, reels, or whatever, it's usually because one of your sharing settings is turned off. It's super easy to fix. Begin by opening up Instagram and tapping your profile icon down in the bottom right, and then tap the three lines up in the top right and scroll down until you see the option for how others can interact with you. So scroll down on here, you'll see that button on here, and then you're going to see a sharing and reuse tab. Go ahead and select that. Now what you're going to want to do is check the following, and it's going to do the enable story sharing, or you could just go through here and turn all of these on just like so. Story shares and sharing to story is the two main ones. As long as you got these on right here and this one set to everyone, you should be good to go. Some accounts will also see a section called sharing and reuse. Obviously, if you do that, just do the exact same thing for post and reels right here. And if it's still missing, you need to upgrade Instagram from the App Store or Google Play Store and close and reopen the app, log out, and of course log back in if needed. Sometimes features will roll out gradually, so updates do matter, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.